Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd film an art vlog. I haven't filmed one of these in a while. Lately I've been uploading my work on my art Instagram page, but I just thought this week I would do an art vlog and kind of show you. This is my first time I'm working on a big, larger canvas. I'm usually working on a mini canvas for my paintings, and this one's a tricky one because I keep messing it up. Not really happy with it, so I just thought I'd document the process. So currently I do resin painting, and I just feel like I'm not happy with the colors. I want to change it up, figure it out. I went a little crazy and I just gessoed everything, whitened out the entire painting. I just was not happy with it. Something was just missing and I needed to just start over with a white base. This is my thought process. So instead of wasting so much resin on a larger canvas, I thought I'd start from the drawing board and also just intuitively paint. And I have some of my resin and some pigments mixed in right now. It's been a few days since I last painted. I feel like I really wanted to start off this week just with a clean slate, fresh start. I was getting really frustrated repainting this larger canvas, and I still wanted to share that with you guys to document the process. That things don't always go as they seemed, and it's okay to pivot and also take a step back if you're getting frustrated or it's just not working. And for me, I learned that valuable lesson, and that's why I just wanted to, take a step back and, focus on my mental health a little bit more. I feel like I've talked about my mental health before in a few of my art vlogs, but I thought it'd be really nice and fitting to talk about it now, because as someone who's constantly an overthinker, I really like to just sit down, chill out, and have fun painting. It's kind of like my play almost, and that's what honestly keeps me happy. But the moment that something I love, which is painting, the moment where it starts to get frustrating, I need to take a step back. And because I never want to fall out of love with painting, if that makes sense. I feel like as an artist, we all have our own different ways and methods, and I just thought I'd kind of share and document that process because I think that's really important. There's never a smooth sailing finish when it comes to creativity. There's always lots of pivoting and creating your own opportunities and figuring out the next step and kind of going with the flow. And with that said, this week I have therapy, which is really great, and I'm probably gonna go to the beach later today. Since why I'm in my bathing suit, I actually live really close by to a beach, so it's perfect. I think I'm gonna just take some time away and also spend some time with my friends. And also this video could not be more fitting because I wanted to talk about today's sponsor for this video, this art vlog, which is BetterHelp. Help as in H-E-L-P. If you guys haven't heard of them, they are an online therapy service. They have over 20,000 therapists, licensed and trained professionals to help you, to guide you. And for me personally, I just thought it was really such a full circle moment, and very fitting that they actually reached out to me to work with me, because I actually started using BetterHelp 2 years ago. I started BetterHelp in a time in my life where it was just a lot of stuff going on, a lot of life-changing experiences. You know, I was in a very long-term relationship, and I was engaged at one point, and I thought my life was kind of heading that way. When things kind of blew up in a way, I realized it was an abusive relationship, and it was a very toxic relationship. And I really had to relearn and readjust a lot of things, and even gaining my confidence back and trying to figure out who Anna is again. And honestly, like, especially during the pandemic too, it was some hard times financially. So I knew I wanted to find like a therapy service, and I've always kept hearing about BetterHelp online. So I actually signed up. The great thing about BetterHelp is that you can actually change therapists at your request when you need to. I actually ended up finding my wonderful therapist, Beverly. It's really awesome because I feel like we align in so many levels, and even spiritually. She's also a very spiritual person, which also really resonates with me because I'm also a very spiritual person. I'm also a very open-minded person where I love to learn different things and take different tools with me. And if you guys are like really hesitant and scared to, you know, to join therapy with BetterHelp, I feel you on this. It's definitely like something that you have to make that decision for yourself first. I thought it was gonna be really hard and confusing, but it was really easy. Like, you can do it through the app or through the website, but you could just basically fill in your information. They're gonna ask you some questions, and so just so that they're able to figure out which kind of therapist would fit best for you and for your needs. And for me, I had to request a change to find my therapist, and I'm glad I did that because I finally found something that I really like resonated with. And it's really accessible and easy to use because I was able to do video chats, I was able to text, and also even do phone calls. So with whatever you're comfortable with, BetterHelp does have those options for you. So you can like take it one thing at a time and work your way up into a video chat, because I know that could be a little bit overwhelming for some of you. And if you guys are interested, I actually do have a 10% off for your first month with BetterHelp, and I have a link down below so you guys can check that out. It's really great because, yeah, I really had to relearn a lot of things back then, and even with my anxiety as well. I'm also very emotional, very sensitive person, and I also have anxiety as well. So as someone who's just already is dealing with those things and also dealing with trauma, it was really beneficial for me to rewire myself and like relearn a lot of things, and kind of unlearning bad habits for sure from relationships and gaining new healthy habits. And I honestly could not thank BetterHelp, because I would not have found Beverly if that was the case. And you know, and it's been 2 years now, and things have just been really great. I'm in a very healthy relationship, and I'm able to express myself and be myself, and just being able to feel safe in this new relationship. And Beverly has honestly opened up my eyes to it, and even helping me out like just with like work stuff, things that I'm always like, things that are just always on my mind. I always have things and questions, and I'm always overthinking, looking at my perspective, the other person's perspective, and everybody else's perspective. So there's a lot to unpack there, as you can already just tell by me talking about it. With that said, I'm gonna go to the beach. It's a little cloudy here, but I feel like it's gonna be a bit sunny later on. And I'm gonna take some time and take this week to chill out and hang out with my friends as well, and just be more in the moment. So yeah, let's go to the beach.
Cancer, new moon, welcome to Cancer season. If you haven't downloaded the Cancer season workshop, of course, it's also we're being asked to focus people helping other people. Cancer can ignore